We're at Boozle Falls, and we're gonna try find a waterfall there, and then and we're gonna take some pictures, and we're gonna hike some. It's 1.2 miles, so let's go. It's beaming water everywhere. We're done with the hike, and now we get to go to a coffee shop and get my dad some coffee and me a smoothie. And me and Dad sprinted up the hill at the last hill, and now let's go find a coffee shop. We're about to see what's in the Big Sky Farmers Market. Mango smoothie, baby.